The 5 peso coin. 1999 is a significant piece of currency in the Philippines, representing not just economic value, but also cultural and historical importance. This script delves into its mintage history and the geographical context of its production. 1. Overview of the 5 peso coin. The 5 peso coin was first introduced in 1983, aiming to replace the older denominations and facilitate everyday transactions. It serves as an essential part of the Philippine peso, which is the country's official currency. Mintage history. The 5 peso coin has undergone several changes since its inception. Key mintage years include 1983. The first 5 peso coins were minted, featuring a design that celebrated Filipino culture. 1986. A redesign occurred, incorporating national symbols and significant historical figures. 1995. Another version was minted, introducing a bimetallic structure that improved durability and security. 2000. The design was updated to include modern security features, reflecting advancements in minting technology. 2001 to 2006. These years saw continued production of the bimetallic coin, with variations in design. The 5 peso coin features a portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines. Mint. The Banco Central ng Pilipinas, BSP, is responsible for minting Philippine coins. Mintage. The 5 peso coin was minted in various mints worldwide, including 2010. The Banco Central ng Pilipinas, BSP, launched a new series of coins, further refreshing the 5 peso coin's design. 2018. A new design was introduced, featuring the Philippine eagle, emphasizing national pride and biodiversity. 3. Geographical significance. The mintage of the 5 peso coin primarily occurs at the Minting and Refinery Corporation in Quezon City, Metro Manila. This location is vital as it symbolizes the economic heartbeat of the nation. Banco Central ng Pilipinas, BSP, Security Plant Complex, Quezon City, Philippines, Main Mint. 2. Franklin Mint, Pennsylvania, USA. 3. Royal Canadian Mint, Ottawa, Canada. 4. Pampanga Mint, Pampanga, Philippines Auxiliary Mint. 5. Shanghai Mint, Shanghai, China Contract Mint. 6. Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation, Seoul, South Korea, Contract Mint. 7. Australian Mint, Canberra, Australia Contract Mint. 8. New Zealand Mint, Auckland, New Zealand Contract Mint. 9. South African Mint, Pretoria, South Africa Contract Mint. 10. Monnaie de Paris, Paris, France Contract Mint. Metro Manila. As the capital region, it serves as the central hub for financial transactions, trade, and commerce. Cebu. Although not a minting site, Cebu plays a significant role in the distribution and circulation of the 5 peso coin, reflecting its importance in the Visayas region. 4. Cultural impact. The design elements of the 5 peso coin often reflect Filipino culture and history, such as the inclusion of national heroes and symbols. This makes the coin not just a medium of exchange, but a representation of Filipino identity. The Philippines is an archipelago located in Southeast Asia. 1. Luzon, where the capital city Manila is located. 2. Visayas, known for its beautiful beaches. 3. Mindanao, the southernmost region. 1. Luzon, largest island. 2. Mindanao, second largest island. 3. Visayas, group of islands. 1. Manila, capital city. 2. Cebu, economic hub. 3. Davao, largest city in Mindanao. 1. Mayon volcano, active volcano. 2. Chocolate Hills, unique geological formation. 3. Intramuros, historic walled city. 5. Collectability and variance. Over the years, various minting errors and limited editions have made certain 5 peso coins collectible among numismatists. Special editions often commemorate significant events or anniversaries, further increasing their historical value. 6. Conclusion. The 5 peso coin is more than just a denomination. It is a reflection of the Philippines' history, culture, and economic development. Understanding its mintage history and geographical context enhances our appreciation of this small, yet significant piece of currency. This script provides a detailed look at the 5 peso coin, its mintage, and its cultural significance within the Philippines. If you need more specific details or additional topics, feel free to ask. The Philippine peso, PHP, is the official currency. Language: Filipino and English are official languages. Population: approximately 100 million as of 2020. Government: Unitary Presidential Constitutional Republic. Would you like more information about this coin or Philippine history?